Kani kadai ka Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Ka Citizen Forum Against Culture of Violence in Meghalaya menta kasngi kasipau tarik naiweng arjar khatpra kala dawa ya ka sarkar jela bakadai bantung da ka jingtok yet ka balai loy khnang ban lap ya ki jing shisha baro halor ka jingja ha so shri ha ka pratarik menta ubnai bat halor ka jingti doyong beain ha ka jela Kani ka forum ka bala pelong da jing persya ha jaka yang kali ka badon hajan ka office additional secretariat Shillong kala rairu ban lek IT da ka dorkhas ya ka sorga jela ban dawa ba ka dai ban simkhiano mardor halor kani ka kam bat ban siu ya ka bai dawai deshin bat ka bai lot bai sep ya ka kong Agnes bat ya ka kong Amita ki badang don mentah pedeng ka jingsya sumar baro kinong kren kila penrem jur ya kani ka jingja bat kit bokru baka kong Agnes bat ka kong Amita bakin yo no khamkloy ya ka jingko jingkhia
protest this culture of impunity which is existing across the country today, and now it has come here to Meghalaya, to our own home state, and we all seem to be in a state of shock. We don't know how to handle the situation, and we also want to tell the government that giving statements is not enough. What we need is action on the ground. Those who commit a crime have to be arrested, and we have to see that they are punished by the due process of law. I think the fact that people get away with all kinds of crimes has emboldened them to continue with their dirty work. It is not easy to be Agnes Kharshieh, to be filing FIRs on a daily basis, on a sustained basis, to run round the courts of law, to go to different places without counting the cost. Most of us, we feel for this and we feel for that, but we are not committed. And for that commitment alone, we have to salute Agnes, and we have to pray that she comes out stronger and that she continues to do what she has been doing. My concern sometimes is that as civil society, we have ceded our space to people who take the law in their own hands. We haven't been able to come together to show solidarity. Our politicians have tried to divide us on the basis of our ethnicities. I think we should overcome all these attempts to divide society. It's very, very wrong. I mean, today some of us are looked upon as enemies for I don't know what reason. And if you go to social media, it's so vindictive that sometimes you wonder, what is it you have done wrong? And I know there are many who are, especially Angela and Agnes, who have been through many sleepless nights just thinking of this, because it affects the entire family. So on this day, it's my prayer that we come together whenever we are called to come together like this, because it is in solidarity that we have strength, and because it is in solidarities like this that the government will be able to respond, or will respond to. Otherwise, everything becomes just a closed chapter, a report in the news media, and everything goes to the back burner.
As NGOs, we have our own agenda, we have our own reasons, but I'm happy that we can keep our agendas behind and come together for a common agenda of fighting for something that is right, something that needs to be supported. And I'm glad that across all walks of life, across all communities, we are here to show our solidarity and to tell the authorities that as citizens we do not support violence of any type. We do not want to see people getting targeted for a commitment that they have, and I strongly feel that this incident shows that this illegal coal mining is something that's there's something much more below the surface than what we are seeing. And I think there is a need to really do some deep investigation to find out who all are involved in this, and also to ensure that the people who have been in the coal mining trade are given the opportunity to learn other means of livelihood. I think that is important. To just say that we're going to stop something without giving any capacity building for those people to take up some other livelihoods, I think is wrong. So I think there is a need for that. As NGOs, we can come together, we can think of how we can go to that area there and perhaps build up the capacity of the villagers there to look for other opportunities other than coal mining, since coal mining has been banned. And I also feel that if there is a nexus, this so-called nexus between the coal miners, the coal mafia, the police, the politicians, all that also should be investigated, and the people behind the attack on Agnes should be arrested, and they should be dealt with firmly according to the law. I appeal to all of us to understand that nobody, just nobody is above the law. We all have to be within the law, we have to do things within the law, and I also feel that the government should understand that we are the ones who put them there. I think it's time that we should demand that instead of building walls around themselves and creating a opacity where they do things without letting us know, I think all this should change. The walls should be replaced by bridges. Opacity should be replaced by transparency. But it will not come by itself. It will come only when we, as concerned citizens, come together and demand for it.
Never expected that this would happen to her, because she was the one who would always make all the noise. She was the one who would always stand up for people who have gone through what she's going through today. We see, women, children being violated, facing violence day to day. And here, Kong Agnes, the one helping, the one supporting, the one ready to run, to help out, especially the lay people, the people who are poor, the people who have no means to access this kind of help. She's always been the one to help them out. So on behalf of Manpa Foundation, we strongly condemn this act, and we hope that these culprits will be brought to the law and justice will be served.
Hawas niawi kata ke kubor, hawakin root hangstam, itlen, udah tambar ya ke Kong Agnes, boya ke Amita, ngatrai berak, tapi, tapi jing siau lengok, tapi jingka domu loa, wakaman gini ke udah jah. Hai por ars pawawi yok kubori emir sisilong wagi katukan di iperlok ni juai da krumari msiao thodi siawi da win wagi khle kharsu da siao da tet urupai hanu hoi de wakaman wagi ni ibru palat le phau mut waklap saram sangki wong thambar ya gebruken thai koman kom ember Ukenai pi I ngakut tiba ke Kong Agnes ya ke parmet untuk ke klaim baha do kate lada em ko isi thap ya kale nye go yele siawa kau jogom kaman hawa kini bro wa khar saram hado katami kanau driver dai baby. Hawalagi kamte mem kan mogi ke baby. Mem kan mogi ke dia kan thai ki ke piyu kan thai ki. Dada jaya ki hayong hasam kaman ulagi. Angki wawan tuklar ka setai. Wan tuklar ka le ka ikam yang kan. Kam kanong krek ya ke emlang kasalang. Macam lai le thambar ka lai ka police station halat rambai menawan ganai tere emayang yi sewa khana wala tip yu yang nei wan yo jin tip ki wala em gini kau yang wa kata kau wi man mai kat kam khana auto driver to kata ko kini chabi kaman sang na kaman mai wam em ni usnyao ba ya parakan thai wa hon ngop pai itu yang jing chat dat jing chat thambor yang ki angki wa ban tuklar ka wada do jai ni wa do jan you do jan ini long khai do yang ka ki he spa ka do jagi wa kwan spa di kau thlen wa dang kwa cho cho di Lada do jagi dah dang yo ki mau su to bol luti ki nong krang yo ki mau su to bol luti ki nong krang are itrok ki wom yo su de shakso mo yo su to bol luti ki nong krang de lai you empty heni pia juba bhi parabi man ga gi ko pen sme ko pen sem ye ki kan thai mie di uklam mie di uang anggi ke jai penru nyau trap nyau skum to ke jai penru ke tip ru tip lai hai wan ding tip ru tip lai ke jing cha thom bor ki kan thai hado wada palat hawra ki lian hai wan ding tip ru tip lai ar mo de chak so ki ar phau ar snem wa ar phau ru snem to ki te to kai ki khon yang ko kong agnes irta Kaman bay kia ka? Kaman kali ka bay wanod uthambag. Najukan mo jo ka Agnes. Agnes, ngayon mai ni chulod beti. Ang kam nilay narian. Kajing im mat kajing yap kasyang hagakti kajong blay. Ublay ba ay kajing im, ublay umansim.
Man kapur ba ngalit susuno ba ikong i-let siya ingin tuya dan lang tuya let lang. Hari kapa seniu bom kolong bahat ni ka pratrik bala dep kapa nginang ni hakapor dai becik nashteng ngilet sete apa nginang ya denti ia tu kadai kong bah hakapor step dan ki bawan terwa sai habe de batkan ni ka bentah ti kong iklam tre ya kata badan ki baong baki seng balang ki dan ki bashim pisah te nginang ya keren ya kata halenti kat bang nginang ya re ngiya nang ning ya kendu ini ki drop kit BA nya udoyong tengiya be direct sopo Larambay police station tengina lawan phai nang te ngiya kendu shibun hi ki drop ki ba yat ki ba kit ini ki doyong BA de dal apa yang tu lung so istri ngiya i ki badan ki drop tu cerong ngirung dia bersyukur re kat ba ngi dang ngirung tu cerong te ngi syaya lenti hi kilometer dur ki syandur tak dia amta re danuwe ba ubashwami ko ashuang to kong ya keren kenya te kong yong ba ame ngila kaki ngile no tengi yong start nak kali ngaya kita masanya hikmat kenya di kembali ngok kalau bagi kali kelap rahmat kelam dan cingma shu yo driver dan cingma shu yaki bat apa kila shu kini direct shu di nakti jonga bat yang mobile nakti jonga hi ka bang dapat mobile bat kiwe ki nakti ki mobile swa nakti joki ya kamera film dan cingma shu hadian kata isutan PJI napo kali ka baki syom tigalong ke AKA ka ba isang shot ban PJI bat ka ba snow jonga kalong bang pendrem curi ka di kacing le joki ka ba dan cingma shu khamtam kilong kumi kumangiyo snow mene ba ong karite brio ba karite belai tenre abang ipet mata syai kaca ang kata bat ngapen pau bahatu hakati kesni ke ba cia kene ka jingja ke ba mangang adon tamarwe ngade sunrang adon tamarwe ngamla bene ye re ke ba tie bat ke ba kyu untuk kesni kalau bangam don la ku mai pan bagaimana syukur pada ki bagi supply ki dari kaba kasur kaba bi ki kalau baik ba gin penyap sendan ki bala dangang peneru kin penyap sendan siang aru dari kaba kam ayo buat you boleh kalau bang adang lain aku tugas ni balik ya tu ke polis bat ngai aku boleh ke polis department hal kapor ke banding kot ke cingin tu cunga ke batan san si komunit kilala ban kendut ma ikong amita sangma ban yo tam ban yo tami kamet ke congi na tu ke jaka ke bagi lat tiak ning tar ha ke tu ke jaka ke bagi yasho bagi akon tu ibril dengan peram curi ke dia cingle ke jong itu ibril ke bang apa tu kidan ki malik kidan ke bagi ide yang katakan komrem muski kum kembali kidan ki barang kam samla kumagi kumni karata ban ngajar pala ada ki polis ki man ban kami gitu ki brio ki yo be ada ki man ki yo be balain alamar hak tu ka jaka bagi tombol hadian jong hak mat jong tu dan ki dukan persyak jong tu dan ki dukan dan kali ki bayar ada ki pulet ki toket ha dak basukin yo om dan cing ru ban kami ki pada ki pulit kita okey baru ya kita ki message ke baik kong kat bayi ya ban syukur kita drop message tapi message ki perlu ke ki message polis message ki social media ya kata gemtep ada ki wat ha tangling macam gitu ki drop bayi ya syukur kemudian ya baik ban kami gitu ki beliau tinggal penting kenapa ikong anjala ibadah lang niru kini goi kilong kami bat mengiru ngenya trelang ngenya botin kini kacing long sepulir hawa ni i kot khabar mana bagi polis ukil asyum kia ikani bagi layo kem armud nak lihat macam na orang apan pang bagi semua komen barang kerman orang tang kini armud dari ko maki dan nak tu ni lama kata ko ikan thai ke basyong khmat tu macam si badi gitu ki wei girang ma ki balik kerja tu kasni ki dai ban yo kem ban cerita ki ban pengat pet hak tu ke section ke bagi polis ki pengat dak tu ke live spot nyo IPC barang kerman ru bikin ya kita ki wei bagi yo ru ki dai ban ni dawa badai ban set patok shi jing em namar kane ka thak jing thombar jangki kam de shu ka jing thombar ban pendem de ka de ka jing thombar ban pen boy sa ka jing penyap kenang ban penca no ikani ka bai kong itre hatur ada ini lada ikong itre ka ka babakala balai mengingin sudan ko ni ngang yo jing kai ni kong ke jing ke weng kendu asno thau ake ulang salang ngayo na ikong badai de nom tre trong ka CSWO ibadai pet ker pangai kan thei andai ka babon ipet nadu ka NRDGS ki corruption ki babon nang tu nadu ki corruption ki babon ki scam ko ikong ipet andai abang apet pada ki social media ki Facebook ki nong yang sang malang ki pun ki bakan thong tu ka bai ki ong ki nur ruban ong bai ki lek musdah ki cha ki we hatu ngin berkat ni ka ni ka bam ka bagi niyo bam tang menta ngin berkat ya ka ban sawan next generation ngin bam daerah dulu nak tu doyong tekawat ni ha perkhat ya ke kebansawan ki ong mentang mi acha ke perkhat na la syai ki kun ki ki dulu tu doyong ki ya cha nai bet kun ki bet ki kemen no tang mentang tekawat ngal asu ong kumni ngapen ramcur gitu ki malik doyong bangakir pan ki bor department ka home department jong sarkar celah ba kadai ban tokit ki bor polis kadai ban tokit ya kene baik dan ki banu menore bapa ya ki banwan thombar ya ikong lada omdan hiru badan nang wan thombar dei ban labru yung nong pha dei ban lab tang yung nong le dei ban lab yung nong pha mano bale den pencitom cuba ki kat kum ka an tiga jingkar pa jangai ke polis ru kolong ba kenang ya chakmar ka cinta kin banga ker paru ada maki ki mon tang mentas tayo tang next week ru ngaker men ba ginyo iya shibur ki bre bala yo kami kitu pala life le sau pemut kibril kibaran hak tu kasni tetang ini kentian ni ba nganga kwa banong hak ni opor ba ikong ka jingjo snam ko ikong namata ka jingma jonggari ba ka cai pendriu kalong ngajingker khu yangi ba iki patang no badang sawan kong ru inang khain no benang yo kamet ko kai pakhia ba ka jingsha kenya jongpi ka benta jongi par ka patang nangwan kalong ngajingker khu ya pi ba ya ka ye ka semua pi ba yangi baro ki badang sa but yang baru apa kita banang ya dang ni sakman.
The Khasi people always pride themselves to say that we are people that know God, that know humanity. I think it is only academic now. Know is intimacy, not only academic. In other words, we have to care for others, care for our neighbors, care for strangers. That is what we have inherited from our ancestors. But today, I feel so ashamed that we don't care a lady to stamp on her, to stone her, to beat her to death. It pains my heart. If I leave from Shillong and go to Gauhati and say you're a Khasi, and that's the way you treat women, matrilineal society, I'm ashamed. We rights activists are always targeted. Kong Pat, Kong Angela. Even my friends in Manipur were targeted. Center for Social Development is targeted in Manipur by the Home Ministry. We, both the state actors and the non-state actors, target human rights activists. That's a problem. It seems we are always in the wrong. They are in the right. Government says we are in the right. We interfere with them. And then also non-state actors says you interfere with us. But we want justice. There cannot be peace without justice. There has to be law, not lawlessness. There has to be a system of work. There are guidelines to work. And we have to follow those guidelines so that we don't disturb others. And also, even today when we are talking about climate change, the prediction is that this world will cease to exist by 2050. And what happens? In a few weeks from now, we will have COP24 in Iceland. Trump has withdrawn from the Paris Agreement. Do our friends here want to join Trump? We are concerned for climate, mitigating climate change, because we want human survival. And coal production is one of that. And I've told many of my friends who are mining coal is no more an attractive venture. Because globally we have decided to phase out coal mining, phase out thermal power station, phase out the using of fossil fuel because it creates too much pollution. I told all of my friends, just before yesterday, someone came to my home and I said, we have to phase out. Please don't be attracted to this because it's time that we have to change our livelihood.
Mentangi sakani kejingja sai kong Agnes, bai kong Anita, di kalong keke kabakta Shibun, yingi kong kajai bendriu, namar ba, ikamdan su kata kamen sim, so senai, wajah kikin thai briuru, bakinya bom yatit hado katoto, ban temu, ban sim, ya kata kejingim kejong kiru. Di kalong keke nakalyang kejonga hiru simet, ngaprem jur, ya kani kejingja, ngaprem jur. Ya kan ikut sasio ben kejong kikong Agnes bajong kong Anita bangi kermen lu banang ni syahmat minum ye isu kumya kini kijak jingja kibanja bakam tam ye kinong alam jeng kiseng bahalang kelada kalong hakani karukom orang ipi kan pendu mensim ye kibabun di hendai kumala keren menadi iwi nong keren nakmat ilong ba kani kecingle kanang ay mensim penban kanang peslul yaki bangindang mi syahmat bangindang yai trei yakakam nakapenta kacing bahi jong paiba salonsa
ngimla ban long ki babet ban chupriang bakadai kap jing persang ban sim no ka kajing embryo ba kajing luti kamdai kajing luti kato kadai baladon kajing plan ki he ki han ki malik baro bat ka FIR kadai bentup ya kata ka kendon criminal conspiracy and common intention. Nama there was common intention in ensuring that the public of 30 to 40 people attacked her. It was a coordinated, planned attack. Ngimla ban pedang bakasulong casual bunta. But ngidai bandawa ya kani. But ladapi menjur la sina kani kajing yalang mentakasngi ni hapan dawa bakadai bandan ka jing tokit ka balai lot an independent inquiry. Kaba mga mapi kum kipat ba ngila ban chania. Bakin ti shisha bakin yo shisha lapksai shisha batip shisha mano badan kti. Kum bakila ong tu kipa kran shwaya ngaru ong ban pensaja tangi kitu ki besha pen shit ki kna kitu ki kentai kitu ki ai ki balik shok ba bom ndai mano ba pha. Mano ba be pisai kata kakam. Ni hap ban wat ksai bat ni hap ban lap. But ladapi menjur ngatrai nakani ka Citizens Forum ngintho kata maka dai bandon ka kenja independent inquiry halor kani ka jingja hanrei ru maka dai bandon ka inquiry halor ka jing khaitu yu dogyom nama ka to gari ka root cause bajaya kani ka jingja dainam daina ladang ipit pit tangi kani ka jing sha attack jungi hanrei ngimbo jing keli pede ngimpat bantok kit banyak halor kani ka legal activities ki bawan poi kani ka jingja ka basosi ngatharai ngila rem lupa ti ngakwa ban bu hakmat jong phi bat ban kli phi phia menjur bat phia piang ne em kata ban ong bangin tho sa ka sarkar ban pan baka de bandon ka independent inquiry bat ru om tang ka inquiry halor ka tukas ni ba attack hanrei paro kita ki por baki khaitu yo new dogyong bat ru sakawai ngatharai kalong ka ek badan kam ban ong baka sarkar ka haban be bakli namar lada ka sarkar ka bakli nanu bas dang ikong Agnes nanu arhajar khat sao ngatharai la don lai phau sau phau tli ki FIR tang halor ka chingya tu kitro lada ki le ya kitu hatokan poi skanika apartment ta tingi haban bo ka tu ka jingkli baka sarkar ka de ban kit kli halor ka ni ka jingja baka dei ban shim khia baya barok ke jinglut jingsa halor ki medical expenses jong ikong Agnes but jong Amita ka haban bakli ka sarkar namar ba it is utter state failure that led to this attack ka Amita lele kadika kentai briu ka ba marwai ulak klat but ka ba don sangut nyomut ki khun sangut naki ki badang khlung ki badang aa ki shong marwai mentana maka kami ka don ha hospital manu ban bakli ya kalong yeng juga ka sarkar ka hap ban penlut ya ka jing sumar yakini bar armut the state has to take responsibility for its failure to protect the citizens and bear all expenses for medical treatment for both of them kabiang ta kablai shibun